T-60 Soviet light tank of the Second World War. In September 1941, the T-60 was adopted by the Red Army and was Massachusetts produced at several machine-building plants. Production of the T-60 continued until February 1943. A total of light T-60 tanks were produced, which took an active part in the battles of the Great Patriotic War in 1941-1943. The presented tank was raised in 2011 from the bottom of a dry river. Within 2 years, the damaged armored vehicle was restored. On July 26, 2013, the tank took a place of honor on the square in front of the Battle of Stalingrad Panorama Museum.